Okay, so I have a database open in my Microsoft Access. Okay, only one table. So this is the table itself. Okay, so what I would like to do now is I would like to export this table to Excel spreadsheet. All right. Now to do that, go to external data because Excel spreadsheet is actually X in the uh, considered as the external data over here. Okay, so it's not inside the database too. All right, it's actually over here. Right. So I'm going to click this and you will see where it's going to. You can change the file name, the location, right? And of course, I want it in Excel workbook. Okay. I can choose whether I want to export with formatting and layout, but no, I do not want that. And click OK. Okay, I'm not going to save the export step and I will close. All right. Nothing happens inside my access because I'm exporting. All right. But now let's have a look at, okay, here it is. All right. Just outside here it is. I just exported. You can see 12, 14, 9, 14, and then 9, 13. So just exported. Double click. Okay. All right. I'm not sure why I have that problem. Okay. Probably because I got two copy. Alright. And okay, just a little bit of adjustment here so we can see everything. You see the ID, you see the number, all right, you see the type, title, all right, everything is there, date, and the sold out, which is the boolean, okay, ended up as true false. So export considered pretty good.